Hi guys, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you all fine and good. Today we'll see in these videos Today I'm sharing with you in these videos top trending and attractive landscaping ideas, garden decoration designs. We will see in these videos new trending landscaping ideas in 2025. So lovely viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. You will see new all very creative and trending landscaping ideas. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video, so watch my full videos and share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. Top stylish and trending you will see in this videos modern landscaping ideas. Very attractive and very stylish you will see unique beautiful home decoration designs, garden decorations ideas. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching these videos till the end. I hope you like new modern landscaping ideas. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching these videos till the end. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos. You will see new top 40 plus trending landscaping designs, garden decorations ideas. So my channel is all about modern home decorations ideas. I have uploaded landscaping designs, garden decorations ideas, indoor plants, wall hanging decorations. So this video is very attractive and very stylish designs. Watch my full videos and enjoy all modern landscaping trends. If you like my videos, so viewers, please download my videos and you like this one stylish home decorations ideas, so take a screenshot and save your mobile. So guys, I would suggest you just keep on watching these videos till the end. You will see unique modern landscaping designs, pebbles art ideas, decoration table decoration centerpieces designs. So these are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Top attractive and trending you will see modern landscaping designs. So there is a huge variety of designs in these videos. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video, so you will see unique stylish landscaping ideas. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy your trending landscaping designs. So there is a huge variety of designs in these videos, unique landscaping ideas. I will meet you in next